guys, what's up? Dito kayo sa SM Imos, malapit dito sa amin. So nakukuha ko lang ng pinadala sa akin ni Shikel na blessings from channel of Princess Magnetico. So ang kain ko daw kasi sabi ko wala akong salary. So ayun, binigyan niya ako sa live ni Princess Magnetico. So nandito ako ngayon sa SM Shikel. Shikel, I'm here at SM Shikel and we're going to eat mukbang here at McDonald's. So Shikel, thank you so much for the blessings always, and for my channel and sa channel ni Princess and sa channel ng ibang other YouTuber Shikel. Thank you so much, Shikel. So let's go. Ako'y po papasok na ng McDonald's. So Shikel, we're here at McDonald's, Shikel. McDonald's Imo, Shikel. So I'm with my son Shikel, Benedict, and my, what do you call this, Shikel? Manugang. Lots of people, Shikel, because it's lunchtime. So ayun, so Shikel, we're, yes, eat. Ayan. It's bakit, Shikel, our lunch for today, Shikel. Yes. So Shikel, here. Tapos miss, pwedeng Coke float na lang yung drinks. Ay, float na lang. Pwede.
Additional po kay 27.
Oo.
Lahat po yun?
Oo. So Shikel, this is the total of our lunch for today, with my son. So thank you so much, Shikel, for the blessings. You're so very kind and generous. So now, Shikel, I already ordered my lunch today. It's March 24. I'm here at McDonald's. So no KFC here near at my residence. So we were here at McDonald's. See, Shikel, McDonald's, lots of Alright, Shikel, so here is our order for today, and March 24, our lunch, and with 8 piece of McDonald's chicken, and then the Coke float, and then we have the price. Yes, it's they called it a BFF price. So yum. Let's eat, guys. And this mukbang is being brought to you by Shikel. He gave me money for mukbang. While we're eating, I'm watching the live stream of Princess Magnifico and Queenie Cute or Naumnas. So I'm with my son and my daughter-in-law. Yes. So thank you so much, Shikel, for the blessings. We're going to eat now. Alright? So here we go, Shikel. I'm going to eat now. Alright? Thank you so much, Shikel, for always sharing your blessings to me, to Princess Magnifico, and to all other live streamer in YouTube. So guys, to all our friends in YouTube, please do help and support also Shikel for his YouTube channel. Yes, he's very supportive and very generous. Of course, Shout out Matet Gabarda Vlog, of course, Alicia Ali, ayan. Mga Hinlog, ayan, Princess Magnifico, sa YBG, ayan, Jeline Official, and sa lahat ng member ng YBG group, of course, sa Team Tugang with Biglang Espanyola, Anhart, and the rest. Thank you so much guys for your support, of course. Sa mga friends natin dyan sa Hong Kong, ayan, Malu, Rhea, and Jalangala, thank you so much Jalangala. Aisen, thank you so much Aisen, shout out. And of course, Bria, shout out Bria. Of course, ayan, sa Team Smashy, ayan, Rodeline, shout out Rodeline, Sarah Vlog, and Abigail Ayuba, Carlos, and of course, ayan, sa Team Dungaw, ayan, Kako sa TV, ayan ang founder ng Team Dungaw, of course, President Alfred Banga, of course, ayan, Elaine Pagunsan, shout out Elaine Pagunsan, of course, Judith Palogni, Gainalin Saraga, shout out Gainalin Saraga, Saraga sister, shout out and Eds Hernandez, of course, and sa mga lagi nag-sponsor sa aking YouTube channel, Monkey, Talapoka, and of course, Bano TV, shout out sa dyan, Bano TV, and sa mga bagong friends natin sa YT, ayan, sa YouTube. And thank you so much guys sa support and sa pag nagla-live ako. Thank you. Of course, Lay Arbis Vlog, Miss Mariel. Ayan, Miss Mariel, shout out sa inyo, Miss Mariel. Of course, Cheryl Vlog. Ayan, Cheryl Vlog Mari, shout out sa inyo, Cheryl Vlog. Of course, sa Team BJ, ayan, ni Anhart, thank you so much sa support nyo guys. And dahil sa support nyo, nagkaroon ako ng project na pabahay sa amin sa probinsya. And of course, shoutout ko na rin yung aking pa-chanelas namin ni Anhart, and of course ni Bigolan Espanyola. So naganap po yun nung March 19 sa amin sa Bicol. So Shikel, thank you so much Shikel, maybe someday you could also sponsor me when it comes to charity, my charity works, if it's okay to you Shikel. So, thank you so much, Shikel, So, yum, Shikel, yum. I'm eating McDonald's chicken, yum. Busog, Shikel. Yes, of course, shout out na rin kay Arlene Tacloy, all the way from Singapore. Shout out sa dyan, Arlene. Thank you so much also sa support. Lagi dyan sa channel ko. Ayan, thank you. And, sino pa ba? Marami pa. Ay pa tayong dyan, mga friends na Miss Mina Karandang, shoutout Miss Mina, GGM Vlog, shoutout GGM Vlog. And ayun, sa friends natin dyan sa Hong Kong guys, shoutout guys, and sa lahat ng friends, sa lahat, thank you guys, salamat sa support. Sa mga members ng channel ko, thank you so much hanggang ngayon. Ayan, The Amazing Lace, shoutout The Amazing Lace. And ayan, Bigolan Espanyola, ayan, sa mga matagal ng members sa channel ko, thank you so much guys. Of course, Beautiful Soul Alicia Ali, thank you so much for the love and support always to my channel. Thank you, and bless you more. Ayan, sana all malapit na siyang mag 50k. So please support guys, Alicia Ali, of course, Reggie Luego. Ayan, ayan si Pilyang Mama, shoutout Pilyang Mama, shoutout of course, Maria muna ako, shoutout Maria muna ako manay. Sa Team BJ ni Anhart, shoutout. Thank you. So, etong guys na mukbang ko to is sponsored to ni Shikel. Ayan, napakabait ni Shikel. Kita niyo naman yung binigay niya sa akin. So, thank you kasi sabi ko wala akong sahod sa YouTube. So, binigyan niya ako ng ganung amount. So, thank you so much Shikel sa love and care. Ayan, thank you so much Shikel, very much appreciated Shikel. Yeah, we eat and I'm busog Shikel. Yum. May take out pa kami Shikel. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Ayan, I'm so happy Shikel and very busog Shikel. Tummy busog. So ayun guys, maraming salamat. And sa mga makakanood dito guys, thank you so much guys for all your support always. Ayan, thank you, and that's all. Ay, maraming salamat. Wala na akong ibang masabi guys. Salamat sa love and support. Matet Gabarda Vlog, thank you so much So of course, Anhart, yan, Bicolan Espanyola, and Alicia Ali, Yan siya laging nandyan sa channel ko when it comes to my charity vlog or works. Ayan, thank you. And Arlene, thank you so much, Arlene Tacloy. Alright, so yan sa lahat ng team ko. Thank you so much. That's all, guys. Keep safe, everyone, and God bless us all. More blessings to our channel. Bye! Sayonara, Japonesa. Alright, thank you. And Chu, shout out Chu. Alright, Chu, shout out from Korea.